Hello, and I hope you are doing well. Welcome to this video. Today I'm going to introduce our earthquake and seismic analysis package in Abaqus. Here we gather some models in a package uh, in the earthquake and seismic. And if you click on a title or blue sign, you will have this introduction of the earthquake and seismic loading, then some figures of the model like the embankment under construction and seismic loading like tunneling and soil interaction with concrete tunnel under seismic loading, water slushing acoustic method, OLE method, I don't know, the structure frame, then the gravity dams, the masonry walls, uh, the columns, everything, or X-shape uh, still a structure. You will find everything in this package about the modeling and simulation under the earthquake and seismic loading. Here we mention some concept of the earthquake like seismic load, dynamic analysis, model analysis, history time analysis. We all time we use that to consider the earthquake, and uh, both dynamic and static can be used as a nonlinear model for the cyclic loading. And here we consider the material model, the dynamic model, soil structure interaction, everything. And these are the application here. Then in this package, you will have 15 separate tutorials, 15 separate models. Our recent publication also includes in this package, uh, like seismic steel building with axial damper, or other our models like the brick and walls. Each tutorial contains CAI and English video step-by-step paper, codes, anything that we use in the model. If you learn all these titles of the seismic and earthquake package, you will be able to do anything. The cost or the price of this package is 87 euros. You can use a PayPal account, Visa, or MasterCard. Before payment, contact me to this email to tell you more about the content payment way. If you have any questions, anything, let me know. Don't hesitate. Thank you for your attention.